Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Tech Carse, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video, I am going to tell you that how you buy a juice from the Daraz app. So let's start our video. So first of all, you have to install the Daraz app. After that, you have to open the Daraz app and search here in the search box. Here you can see that I'm writing here juice. I'm writing juice. You have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are came in front of you. Here you can see it, and it's going to be open. You can see it. We have to wait for a few seconds. Here you can see it. Basically different samples are going to be open in front of you. You can see it. Juice Nestle Fruit of Vitals. You can see that here. Sliced juice. You can see that here in front of you. Cappy. So you can see it. So basically I am going to click on. You can see that here. Different sample. I think you can see it here in front of you. So basically I'm going to click on that one. So here you can see it basically two samples are available. In this one you can see it first one in front of you, Nestle Fruit of Vital. You can see it Gava. You can see it 6 samples available. Here you can see it same one in front of you, Nestle Fruit of Vitals Gava 200 ml. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you can see it PKR rupees 394 rupees. If we talk about the original price, the original price PKR 399 rupees, but after 11% off you can buy it only in PKR 394 rupees. Daraz verified, get exactly what you ordered. So basically if we talk about the details, then you can see that here details. Specifications: brand Nestle Fruit of Vitals, drink type bottle, flavor not specified, box content 6 into Fruit of Vitals Gava 200 ml, and SKU number is also given here. Highlights, you can see it here, highlights are also given. Brand Nestle Fruit of Vitals, Nestle Fruit of Vitals Gava juice 200 ml, and description is also given here. You can see it: when constant pressure of winning makes you tense, taste of cool and sweet Gava fruit juice content refreshes your spirit, refrigerate after opening and consume within 4 days. So here you can see it basically. If we talk about the rating, then you can see that here 4.9 out of which 5 star are given here based on 53 reviews, and 414 is already sold. So basically 50 people already love this product. You can see that here. Fastest delivery tomorrow 5 December, order within 20 hours 6 minutes. Fruit of Vitals 92% positive review. Frequently bought together option is also given here. You can see that in front of you. So you can see that here basically. So basically you can see it in front of you. Basically if we talk about the specifications, then you can see that here brand Nestle Fruit of Vital, drink type bottle, flavor not specified, box content 6 into Fruit of Vitals Gava 200 ml, and SKU number is also given here. So if you can see it here basically, if we talk about delivery, you can see it here. Select your location on which you want to get this juice. Fastest delivery tomorrow 5 December, rupees 158 is service charges. Service Daraz verified, get exactly what you ordered, 100% authentic, 14 days free and easy return. Change of mind is not applicable, warranty not available. So basically if we talk about the rating and reviews, then you can see that here total 53 reviews are given here, out of which some of them are given below. You can see it first one by Atif, very hard to find in stores, I have to order it online, and the most delicious juice I have ever had. For me it's Gava and passion fruits, amazing. So you can see that here another one, thanks to Daraz and seller for excellent packing and delivery on time. You can see that here sample is also in front of you. You can see that here Chosam mango nectar. You can see that here you can see it apple nectar. So basically you can see that another one by Rizwan ji. शुक्रिया, एक दिन में डिलीवरी मिल गई, well packing and long expiry, always satisfied. You can see that here. So basically questions about this product, you can see that 0. There are no questions yet. Ask the seller now and their answer will show here. So basically if you want to ask any question, then you have to click on that ask question option. Highlights: brand Nestle Fruit of Vitals, Nestle Fruit of Vitals Gava juice 200 ml, and description is also given here. When constant pressure of winning makes you tense, taste of cool and sweet Gava fruit juice content refreshes your spirit, refrigerate after opening and consume within 4 days. So here you can see it. People who viewed this item also viewed. You can see that couple of more items are also available. So basically if you want to buy this juice, then you can see that the add to cart option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this add to cart option for buying this juice. Thanks for watching this video.